everybody. Today on Dirt Lifestyle, we are going to do the King of Elbe. I'm here with my buddy Franz. Say hi, Franz.
Hi, how are you?
Franz is allowing me to ride with him. I do have my Jeep here, and I will be taking my Jeep out later. He's going to let me ride with him on the first part of the day. We're going to go see some debauchery. It's going to be easier for me to film the fun, and then I'll get after it here in a little bit. So Franz, tell us a little bit about yourself. Where do you work?
Well, I am the iconic Toyota guy of the Total Parts in the Tacoma location. Been there for roughly about going on 7 years. I left for a little bit, came back because I absolutely love the culture. I love my customers, and I can't see myself doing anything else but this.
Yep, that's right. He's here for you guys. I've been doing business with Total Parts Tacoma for more than a decade, and I've become pretty close friends with a lot of people that work there. Oh, Elbe.
Oh, Elbe.
Well, this is the first time I've ever done this.
What happened?
Yeah, I came backwards like this, and then that ended up being a lot higher when I mean, it was a super slow roll.
Is it in neutral?
No. Yeah, no. It might roll.
Oh, it's not all.
Like it never happens.
All right, Franz, how was that?
So, the best way to break in brand new tires is give it everything you have on a rock pile. Saw it on the internet.
So it must be true.
It has to be true. It has to be true. If second gear doesn't work, try third. If that doesn't work, try reverse and then try third gear again. Wash, rinse, repeat. Keep going until situations change to one way or the other.
All right, Franz, what are we doing?
I was smart enough to talk Nate into taking his Jeep out because he was going to be the recovery vehicle for the day. So a little here, a little there, and we got Nate to go take his rig on the rocks now.
We're going to get my Jeep. We basically did like part of a trail before I finally was like, yeah, let's wheel. I want to wheel too. So the original plan went out the window. We're going to go get my Jeep. And we're going to do the Alder Loop rock pile.
Peer pressure.
Peer pressure.
Peer pressure.
All right, we are on our way to Alder Loop rock pile. This is a pretty fun spot at Elbe. It's definitely one of my favorite parts here. And when it gets a little bit wet like it is now, it's really challenging. This will be my first time doing this obstacle since the stretch, so I'm eager to see how the stretch does. You know, I have a lot lower hanging belly, so it might be trying to grab rocks, but I really have no idea. I guess we're about to find out.
All right, Nate, how do you think that ran?
I'm pleased. You know, I had to kind of switch out of high range, low range a little bit. Some stuff going slow wheel speed was great. Some stuff going high wheel speed was great. But overall, nothing broke, and I had a good time.
What do you think a do not is when you're running rocks like that, just like you did?
Oh man. Don't do a lot of the stuff I did. Just going full throttle and neutral dropping up rocks is usually a bad move. I'm lightweight enough that I can get away with it, but it's not for everybody. Where are we going, Franz?
We're gonna go run log crawl. We're doing log crawl.
Log crawl?
Log crawl.
I gotcha.
Gotcha, log crawl.
Glad I went and I got my Jeep, but to be honest, it's pretty bittersweet. Today was supposed to be getting you guys the best possible footage because I didn't have to drive, but I'm still gonna do my best. I'm gonna do everything I can to try and drive and get good footage for you, and hopefully this turns out halfway decent. We are at the obstacle course here at Elbe Hills, and this has changed a lot. Actually, in one of my earlier videos, you saw me right after they had done the work out here. I was able to go through it, but it's a lot wetter today. It's definitely more dug out, and people are going crazy out here. I think we're about to see somebody get some air. Holy shit. He got a lot of air on that one.
It's a good thing you didn't give it 1,000. Oh.
What do you think? Did it look like he was gonna stick the landing or what?
Oh, dude, he almost got asked over tea kettle. I was a little scared that I'm gonna have to drag a fucking flattened out Wildcat back home.
What's up, man? Introduce yourself.
I'm Ryan, this is my wife Sarah, and this is my TJ.
This is your TJ, and it's called the Rubber Ducky?
It is the Rubber Ducky.
Does that have something to do with it being yellow?
It does have something to do with it being yellow. Yep, it just kind of named itself.
How long have you had it?
Since 2013, 2012, somewhere around there.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's a sweet build. Looks like you're on tons.
Yeah, I'm on 99 to 04 Super Duty front and rear.
Sweet. If people want to follow your build, are you on social media?
I'm on Instagram with Rubber Ducky TJ.
He made that look pretty easy. I'm up next. We'll see how this goes. This is the most people I've ever seen on a trail at Elbe. It smells like weed and broken parts out here. Oh, Elbe. What do you think, Franz? Is it extra Elbe today?
So Elbe.
It feels extra Elbe.
Yeah, it's pretty Elbe today.
It's the most Elbe it's ever been.
This sets a new expectation.
I know. There's boat ramp. Holy crap. So I totally messed up, and the next clip has no audio. Unfortunately, it's me having fun, ripping it up this obstacle, getting stuck to, having a winch. But I have no audio because I forgot to turn the audio device on. I'm very sorry. Tell me in the comments how mad you are. Holy cow, that's a good obstacle there. I gave it my best, as you guys saw. Now, I could just edit out the part where I winched, and you guys would never know, but I'm an honest guy, so I'm willing to wear my failures just as much as my successes. I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. All right, Franz, how do you think the buggy's gonna do on this?
Fantastic.
Wow!
Attaboy.
That was awesome!
Right? Good job, Ryan. Good job.
So, how does it feel to ace the boat ramp?
Feels good. It was fun.
What was your strategy there?
Try to put on a good show. That was about it.
That was the strategy? Put on a good show?
I had some big shoes to follow, so I was like, screw it. At least, you know, I'll either go
Yeah,
out
it's
with the
true.
bang.
You did go right after the buggy.
Yeah.
Well, you killed it, man.
I appreciate it. Thank you. The Jeep did what it needed to do, so that was cool.
Oh. Broken parts. Oh, is that drive shaft?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You can see it hanging down there. You can see the glimmer of a little drive
The
shaft.
carton broke.
Damn.
Carton snapped.
I'll park here.
You can't park there, pal!
Something going on here.
Well, unfortunately, he was having a good time until this truck
truck's fire went out, now it started on one on work.
Yeah, that happens to the best of us.
Sometimes a $30 part can cost you humiliation for years.
Nobody likes to leave on a strap. That is a bummer. This is a serious obstacle up here, folks. Might not look like much on camera, but it is a serious obstacle. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that the video turns out well. I'm gonna do my best in the editing. I'm sorry that one of the cool parts of the video does not have any sound. That's a real bummer. Trust me, there's nobody more bummed than me, but if you want to tear me up in the comments, I definitely deserve it. So have at it. If you want to see more content like this, tell me in the comments. I don't do wheeling videos very often because I think they're really hard to film and wheel, but if you want to see more stuff like this, just let me know, because I'm definitely willing to come out here and share this kind of stuff with you. If you want to support us, you can go to thedirtlifestyle.com. You can support us on Patreon. If you want to follow me on social media, I'm at DirtLifestyleNate. We'll see you next time.